the video. Low Noise Jason Skilz is having a contest, and this is going to be my entry for his contest. Jason is, I think he is celebrating a subscriber milestone. I think it's 500 subscribers, and he's having this contest, and there's going to be some prizes for the winner of the contest. So the rules of the contest are, well, I'm trying to remember. I think you probably have to be a subscriber. I'll put a link to Jason's channel down there in the description, and you just need to show 5 records from 5 different genres of music. So they could be genres or subgenres, I guess. So these are all going to be genres of basically rock and roll or subgenres or something like that. So the first one is what we're hearing right now, which is Legs Diamond. The name of this album is Legs Diamond. Yeah, I guess I don't know, maybe this is their first album. It's from 1977. This is an album, actually I received this as VCLT from Michigan Record Club. But this is a record I remember from back in the 70s when it was released, and yeah, we used to rock out to this in the car all the time. So the first genre is going to be hard rock. Legs Diamond, 1977. My second is going to be psychedelic music, Psych. This is a band called Honolulu Mountain Daffodils. This is a band that I believe they were a British band. This record is from 1988, Zinger Records. This lists the members of the band on the back, but I think these are not their real names. Like, for instance, guitars, it says Joaquim Pimento. Vocals and fuzz guitar is Lord Sulaco. A guy named Zoe Zettner, or a woman named Zoe Zettner, doing keyboards and fuzz keyboards. So, yeah, this is sort of a, I don't really know too much about them, but they were called Honolulu Mountain Daffodils, and this is a psychedelic record. There's also there's a song on here, the last song on side 1 is called Also Spreekt Scott Thurston. So there's like that song, Also Spreekt Zarathustra, I think by Richard Strauss. And this is Also Spreekt Scott Thurston. It was, I looked it up, he was a session musician. It looks like he worked with the Stooges and Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. So sort of a wide-ranging styles for him to work on. So, yeah, Honolulu Mountain Daffodils, Tequila Dementia. Yeah, so that's going to be psychedelic music. This is on Zinger Records. Pretty basic label there. My next one is going to be stoner rock, Sleep. This is a 3-man American band. This was recorded live at Third Man Records. This is a 4 LP set. This was a vault release from Third Man a couple of years ago. So, Sleep, there they are, playing in the Blue Room there at Third Man. And yeah, they are stoner rock. This record came with this patch, Sleep patch, and also a poster. Live at Third Man. Live at Third Man Records. So, yeah, Sleep is stoner rock or doom. I think it's stoner rock mostly though. And these are all on colored vinyl. So this first one is on blue vinyl. Here's what the guitar player looks like. There's the drummer. His record is on green vinyl. favorite song on the record. Satin Peacock. Kiss Me But Don't Mess Up My Hair. Here's the bass player for the band. This one looks like it's on purple vinyl. That is a very dark shade of purple. I don't know if you can see the color there. And then last record has the credits on it, and this one is on sort of an orange vinyl. So yeah, sweet. Live at Third Man. So that's stoner rock. Rat Attack. This is going to be electro. This is basically a two-man band. They play a lot with like with jam bands and stuff. Like when there's jam band festivals and stuff, they'll be one of the bands that plays there. This is a gatefold sleeve. So yeah, electro, very upbeat, very danceable. Rat Attack, Magnifique is the name of this record. It's on black vinyl, and this record label, I can't really see it. XL records for that one. And the last one I have to show you, my fifth genre, is going to be indie rock. So, Dinosaur Jr., You're Living All Over Me. This is their record from 1987. I think this may have been might have been the first record for Dinosaur Jr. I'm positive about that. This is on SST Records. Dinosaur Jr. This record came with these advertisements for compact discs that SST was selling back then. Today, records they had for sale. Even more inserts from SST Records. So that's it. Jason, 5 genres and 5 records. So that's it. Let me know what you think about these records, and thanks for having the contest, Jason. And, let me know what you think about these records, if you've heard them, or I'd be interested to know your comments on any of these bands. And yeah, that's it. I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks very much for watching.